Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Well, today we got some scrap. That's not the video though. If you look at this door, okay, ready? I'm going to open it. As you can see, it's sagging. Just watch when I shut it. Look at this line. Wait, why did my screen go off? It's sagging a lot. Like you can see it drop. So I ordered some new hinge pins off of Amazon. And yeah, we're going to be replacing them. Right there's one of them. Probably all wore out. I did it on the passenger side, but it was a while ago. So what I gotta do is I gotta get in this thing and back it up. Back her up a little bit. Well, I ain't in the way of all this junk over here. I don't need nowhere. It's mine right there. And we're gonna want to roll the window down. Yeah. Now we have to take this off, that way we can unplug the door. Which is kind of a pain. I got a damn vacuum clean out my truck. I've deserted her. Oh, look at the wilds. What's that one too? That's my CB. Okay.
What?
Mom needs you.
What?
I don't know. Okay, now what is to the door here? Okay. It's this big one right here. But I can't remember correctly. How does it unplug it? Should snap back or some shit. Yeah, see? Like that, and it unplugs. Nope. I'm gonna need a flat tip screwdriver. Also gonna need a rag to set that door on. I don't want to scratch my beautiful door. Still recording? Okay, good. We are. Is it on you? You don't feel important, darling. All I have to say is to the world. Do 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 do. You may be just another girl. Don't mind my messy truck. Damn it. That's super easy. You just, this little thing at the bottom, you push it and it unlatches. Easy. Now we just gotta run it down too. Try to get this little thing off of that brake in here, which ain't gonna happen. Basically, that's what you got. Now we had to take these bolts out. Probably 10mm. That's a. What did I tell you? It's the 10mm. Okay, yeah, same. Help me with it. Woo. That's why we're sagging, boys. Oh my god, these are worse than the other. We're about to have to put a new blade on that son of a gun. That little thing. Okay, y'all, so I got these both cut off. You cut off the bottom and then get you a pair of pliers on here and wiggle it up out, but that's a new one I put in now. Got the bolt-on ones. The top of it is a 9/16 and the bottom is a 1/2. So yeah, we're about to do the bottom. I already got it all grounded out too.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
What? Yeah, don't worry about that. Okay, y'all. We got the door back on, as you can tell. And we're about to shut it. See if she works. Got everything plugged back up. It's pretty easy to do once you get the hang of it. And something I forgot to do, don't forget to drill out your holes for your lower and upper hinge pin. Forgot to do that on the bottom. Broke one. So I had to go try and get me another one, but that ain't no big deal. She's tight. Okay, we got to lubricate it, of course, but perfect. That should eliminate wind noise and water coming into your truck because now it's not sagging. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that like button, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.